Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable music and audio app permission for apps on your Android device. So whether it's the Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or another Android-based operating system, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Security and Privacy tile. And then scroll down again underneath Privacy and select Privacy Controls. And then at the top, select the Permission Manager button. And then at this point, if you scroll down, you can select Music and Audio and select whatever app you want to either allow or deny music and audio permissions for. And you can select either allow or don't allow. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.